Shapeless plunges into incredibly vibrant turquoise water, paradise found. Evening ambience at a Balinese temple. Traditional teak mirror roofs stand out against the soft glow of twilight. Serenity and spiritual beauty. Wandering through a moss-covered path in the forest, keeping an eye on the playful monkeys running alongside the stone walls. An immersive jungle experience. Witness the power of the ocean meeting ancient Balinese architecture. A magnificent Balinese Kandipanji split gate. Frames of vibrant street scene. Possibly during a ceremony, the traditional architecture is truly imposing. A closer, Sunyi Chanala temple, perched on the offshore rock. The outside reveals the mossy visage of spanning nature and faith. A formidable, intense and detailed Balinese mass facade. A burst of color and tradition, showcasing the incredible artistry and dramatic cultural history. Wandering through a moss-covered path in the forest, keeping an eye on the playful monkeys running alongside the stone walls. An immersive jungle experience. The incredible cliffs of Nusa Penida meeting the deep, clear blue ocean, and even wider, surrounded by intense turquoise waves. A foreground of cheerful white daisies and green grass frames the iconic mirror structures of Pura Yuanzhangnan, Burchang in the distance. Floral beauty meet the ancient architecture, and even wider, surrounded by intense turquoise waves. The grand, towering Kandipanji split gate marking the entrance to a vast temple area, where pilgrims dressed in white proceeding down the path, perched on the edge of a sheer cliff, blue Indian Ocean. A breathtaking spot for meditation. Walking up the magnificent stairs of a cute temple complex. A truly spiritual ascent. The soft, spectacular sunset over the ocean. Tranquil and romantic in the bay of Guangzhou. Wide view of the main mirror shrines of Pura Yuanzhangnan Burchang.